Dr. Ken Folds in The Jedi Science said, "A prime error today among your psychiatrists or soul healers is that many adhere to the materialist worldview of the sciences, which reduce man to a mere physical biological being, as a result of which they treat disorders of the soul, the inner, as medical disorders, as disorders of the body, the outer. They thus in essence deny the inner altogether, that is, deny that man even has a soul, self, mind, or inner dimension or aspect at all, regarding him as only a physical brain or nervous system, reduced to neurons firing, etc. This is a total disaster, the source of untold unnecessary and preventable suffering. Of course, here too the diagnosis and treatment as in medicine must be holistic, so the body must also be attended to. But the mistake of psychiatry is to put the cart before the horse and invert cause and effect. That is, to see changes in body chemistry, e.g. in serotonin levels, as the cause of mental, soul disorders, the effect, and prescribe drugs accordingly, and not to see them as what they are in truth, the effects of the former, of the mind's self's reactions to the stresses of life or of Heideggerian being in the world and the fundamental self, other dark side situation. So, Dr. Folds clearly isn't integral. He doesn't say that all scientists are right. As we know, integralists say that everyone is right. He says scientists have committed a terrible error. Therefore, how shall we make progress? By saying that everyone is right, or by saying that such and such an idea is wrong and we must reject it in order to find the truth? Integralists will never find the truth, since, by saying that everyone is right, they have accepted all lies, all falsehoods, all wrongs, all errors. That's definitely not going to lead to the truth. 1 + 1 = 2. As always. Anti-logic. Emergentism is anti-logic. In logic, you cannot derive not A from A. In emergentism, not A can emerge from A. That means that anything can produce anything, and that's the end of logic right there. That's the doctrine of magic and miracles. Science is not the kind of thing that can ever provide an answer. It opposes certainty, it opposes logic, it opposes Occam's razor, it opposes the PSR, it opposes the analytic a priori. An uncertain, illogical, complicated, non-analytic heuristic can never prove anything.